the fuck is all that noise? Nations. Yo, what's up, guys? How's everyone doing? I don't understand. What the fuck? What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning, good evening, good night, good day. How do I change that sound? How do I change that sound? I changed my subscriber sound, but my follower sound is the same, and I don't know how to change it. How's this a fucking 9-minute video?
Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Twitch to tabs. Just go over here to the widgets area and find alert box. So as you can see, basically what you're creating is a simple widget that will display enough bits. So this can all be configured in this single setup right here. So right here we have general settings. You could select the background tabs for all.
Why is my follow though different than my fucking subscribe? Because I set up the widget for subscribers, but every time I get a new follower, it plays this fucking follower one, which is a bunch of baby back bullshit. Go away, fuck you. Alert box. Donation. Nothing. I don't fucking know. And do I even care? Fuck it. I don't care that much. Okay. What's up? How's everyone doing, guys? Gainsy, $1 million in RefLink donation income, or whatever it's called. Unfucking believable. I like Gainsy, and I know he was very early to the FTX train, and I know he also would offer access to his algos and his bots in return for his subscribers, or for people using his RefLink. So I totally get it. It's still bullshit though, because I want it. Obviously, I want free money. Who do I trust in here to be a mod and make sure people aren't fucking idiots? I'm just gonna get some water here. One sec. Give me a half second. I'll play some tunes for you guys while I get my water. This kind of funky little samurai beat we got going on here. There we go, Thaddeus. What's up, bro? That's the image I want. I don't understand the rest of it. Okay. So settings, notifications. Okay, let me try that. Let me try that, my guy. Let me try. Settings, notifications. Okay, let me try that. Let me try that, my guy. Let me try. Settings, notifications. Okay, let me try that. Let me try that, my guy. Okay, notifications are on, but how do I edit them? This just lets me know that they're on. It doesn't let me actually edit it. User follow. No, I want it on. Channel and video. Do I care this much, or do I just want to start the stream? I don't know if I care. I don't know if I care. It's definitely on Twitch. I don't know how to edit it, man. How do I edit it? Channel. God, this is pissing me off. Yes. Fuck it. Whatever. Whatever. I don't care enough. Let's just get on with the stream. Right now, right now, the biggest question I'm dealing with right now is whether or not to buy a new MacBook Pro. There's a new MacBook Pro coming out in like, I don't even know, like a week. And I've always had MacBook Pros, and I have an iPhone, and I've like always just been an Apple guy. But ever since I built my PC, I've actually really enjoyed using the PC. And I also know for streaming and a bunch of other stuff that I do using MT4 as one of my trading terminals, PCs are just better at it for a lot of reasons. So I'm wondering, it's like, do I maybe get like a Razer laptop? There's a new Razer Blade 14. It's like super thin. It comes with the RTX 3080. It's like expensive. It's like $4,000 Canadian, but still. Yeah, this is MT4. Everyone's always asking. This is MT4. I do trade Forex. I do trade Bitcoin, excuse me, on one of my Forex brokers. Mitch Pedersen says H bar is about to moon. Free alpha for the chat. That's what he said. So let's see. Let's see if he's right. So I don't even remember looking at this chart. This must have been in one of my streams, but I said it's going down to here, and it basically did. It hung up here for a while. But to me, right, the risk you run with any of these coins right now is just, what is Bitcoin doing, and what is the state of the market as a whole. We have some uncertainty. If Bitcoin pumps, a lot of other shit will pump. This much we know for sure. So actually, we have... So I marked off a weekly swing failure pattern there. And now we've made some bullish market structure. So you could long this into here, right? If it gives it to you. I don't know though. But if Bitcoin goes to like 28K, guess what? This thing's gonna fucking make new lows. But potentially could long this. I think alts are very, very tenuous proposition at this time. With the rise of Bitcoin dominance, altcoins might overperform on some pumps, but in general, they're going to underperform Bitcoin, and they will overperform when Bitcoin drops. They will dump. And a lot of alt BTC ratios are going to bleed for some time. So where it might look good versus USD, if the BTC ratio is bearish, you're better off just being in BTC, ain't you? Yeah, so there's H bar. I'm getting fucking owned. I'm not in a huge position. I am long, I don't even know, 6 Bitcoin on here. So nothing crazy. But yeah, we're gonna fire up some Horizon Zero Dawn. I'm gonna play some games. I'll keep my trade up on the screen here, and I'll kind of do like I did last time. I'm not gonna stream for 4 hours like last time. That was way too fucking long. But I'll do an hour or so, and I'll kind of just talk through my position. So right now, we're looking at Bitcoin here. So basically, my last video, right, which I did on the last stream, we were focused on this trading range here, right? And what we did was, hold on here, I need my pen. What we did was shorted this. So we had this H12 sweep, H12 swing failure pattern, right? from here and here. And so I shorted this move up, saying we are going to trade back at least into the mid-range here. So I took that trade live. We monitored it all fucking night, and it just fucking, it went like this, and then it was just dicking around, and then I went to sleep, and I woke up, and we had broken down, and we had made a new low. So that's great. I made a bunch of money, and I've closed some of it here. I do still have a portion of my short on FTX still open, but now I am long on my Forex broker a little. I'm willing to scale in lower because basically we have this range here that I'm now focused on. We're still within this bigger range, right? But this is a range within a range. So if I think this range is going to break up, right, I want a long in the lower part. If this little range is going to break up, I want a long, you know, in the lower part. And I'm willing to take some longs at the EQ because if you look at the 12 hour, we do have a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. So basically my entire trade thesis is that we are going to put in a higher low and then we are going to push up into this. This is kind of my next area of interest. And if we're going to have a big dump, I think it happens from here. It doesn't have to, right? We could come up here, do this, and then go higher. I don't know. I'm not trying to predict 10 moves into the future. I'm just trying to predict one move at a time, level to level, right? So we are bullish market structure on the H12 here. We had a move up into this larger range high. We put in a swing failure pattern. The entirety of CT, for the most part, is telling you to long 2 days ago, telling you we're going to the moon 2 days ago. And as usual, they're all fucking idiots. People are even copying, they're copying my tweets now. The amount of people I'm seeing being like, oh, CT bullish at resistance. It's like, no. Trader Main said that first. Okay? That's what you fucking get. I'm just kidding. But yeah, typical, right? Swing failure pattern. Bearish market structure on the low time frame, right? Zoom in. This is what we're looking for. Swing failure pattern, break in market structure. It came back and actually gave you 2 chances to sell the breakdown. This was the FOMC pump and move, and then this is kind of your second throwback, and then boom. But now we need to determine if the higher low is going to form here, which is confluent with that little mini range EQ, confluent with this 12-hour order block, or if it's going to form a little bit lower. So the way that I am entering this trade, no one's doing this shit, man. No one's live trading with the boys with 100% hit rate. Live trading with the boys, we're 1 for 1. We're 1 for 1. That's 100% strike rate, 100% hit rate, live with the boys. And maybe the girls. I don't know. I don't think there's any girls, but you never know. I don't want to be sexist. But we are now in the mid-range of my mini range. And then we have our little block right here that I'm watching. So basically, and I mean, you could use the 12-hour one if you want a little bit juicier size here. And it looks, I used the H4 one just to highlight support there. But if you use the 12-hour one, what you get is the H4 one within it, right? But it also shows you that we do have the potential to trade lower. So I'm willing to add to this position and make my total position size bigger because within this range, right, where do I want to long? EQ would be super bullish, but it can go deeper. So this can drop lower. This can drop down into here. So I'm willing to add to my longs down into here. Right? I'm willing to add down to like 35,900 essentially. And then I want to see a reaction. My invalidation is probably here, right? So willing to, already in some longs, we'll add more, and then stop here, and then hopefully the moonshot. And we'll be 2 for 2, God tier. Now, what do I want to see in here for reasons to go long? There's a couple of ways you can do it, right? You can just long the touch, right? Okay, I'm long here, stop here. I'm going to add down here and here with my stop here. Or you can wait for confirmation of bullish market structure. And so one of the reasons I longed up here, we hit the 50. So I'm like, okay, this is an area of interest for me. But we did put in, I'm just going to delete those levels for a moment. We did put in a little H1 SFP. So I said, you know what? That's potentially bullish. Not yet. It's not like we had a little pump, but what I need to see is a higher high. So what I wanted to see was this H1 SFP. I wanted this to break high. And if it would have pulled back, I would have added more. Because then that probably would have been the low. But that wasn't the case because we made the H1 SFP and now we're trading back into it. But this is totally still within my plan. So I'm totally okay with not being above ground right now. Like I'm okay being underwater and averaging down on this position. And I planned on doing that, right? Because we came in the EQ, closed some of my short, started opening longs. And if we trade down into here, I will close the rest of my short as I add more longs. But again, I want to see something like this as well. That would be awesome, right? If we make another leg lower and then, run a low, reclaim it, that's going to be, confirmation for me that I've got the right idea. So basically, higher low is what we're hoping for here, and then a move up. But yeah, we're going to chill. We're going to let this position ride for a little bit. We've got London open in 30 minutes, so we'll see what that looks like. And we'll kind of go from there. And see if this is gonna behave and if I can continue the hot streak, because I'm on fire. What else can I tell you? That's about it, man. So I'm chilling. I'm watching the position. I'm gonna play some video games. I'll answer some questions you guys might have in the chat. I do got something new and exciting I'm working on, new YouTube content, so I'm looking forward to getting that going hopefully in the coming days. I'll probably make an announcement about it tomorrow, but it's going to be focused around altcoins because we have a ton of people, look at the chat, right? I already have people asking me about altcoins, but a ton of people talking about altcoins, even though a lot of them look like death. I want to give you guys some tips, some tricks, and just some general, TA stuff that you can use to better analyze altcoins when the market isn't just going vertical. Because when everything is going up, it's very easy to make money. There's a lot of bull run geniuses on Twitter. But when the market starts to go down, let's say Bitcoin is going back to 20K, hypothetically, a lot of these alts can drop way further than you think and can stay down for way longer than you might be willing to tolerate. So I'm going to do that, hopefully. And yeah, I'll let you guys know. And yeah, we'll just sit here and watch me lose money, hopefully make money. But that's not always the case. Sometimes you fucking lose money. And we'll go from there. So waiting to see if we get the reaction I want. Let's take a look at in the silico here. In silico tells me we're going lower. I kind of want a long, like I think I want to add more size. Like we've got the monthly open here, which is a key level. But I would not be surprised if we came down to this pivot here. Right, so a little bit lower. Right, and then go, which is confluent with deeper into the OTE and then going. So We shall see. We shall see. But for now, I'm going to get the video games going. This stream, I'm going to try and play more video games than chart. Because last time I was on stream for 4 hours, I probably played 10 minutes of the fucking game. Alright. See if I can catch up on the chat here a little bit. I love you too, bro. Would you consider that SFP to short when it closes under 2 or 3 bars? Soon as the candle closes, it's an SFP. Keith is sleeping, so I'm gonna have more Twitch. Keith sleeping has more Twitch viewers than me. That is kind of sad. Live with the boys, yes, yes, sir. You're a whole lot of women. I don't believe you, big ticket 88. What a Chad. Thanks, bro. Let's go. Let's play Fortnite. I don't want to play Fortnite. With the boys. Arma Jana says it's a girl. Okay, cool. Prove it. Fucking prove it. DM me. No, I'm just kidding. This guy says, for you, I can be a girl. I don't know. Take one of those face filter pics with you as a chick, and I'll decide if I'll allow it. Zero Chills is also a girl. I don't know if I believe you guys. Sir, do I press green or red? I just explained what to do. If you can't figure that out, you're not going to make it, bro. Greetings from India. What's up? My fellow... Well, I'm not from India, so you're not my fellow Indian, but my fellow human of Earth. Thanks, Emperor. You're legendary. It's a salami party. Okay. Kai is an absolute beautician. Just a fucking specimen. Bunch of people on Twitter, a bunch of fucking pigeons, absolute dust balls. Clean up in aisle fucking 3. Meanwhile, I'm here playing first line, going fucking wheel snipe celly with the boys, bar down, bar Mexi every game, 3 Genos and a Till. Mr. Main, can you please put up the 1 minute chart, give you thoughts on a template if you were to scalp it and on a low time frame approach? I don't really want to look at the 1 minute, but here it is, right? Because this does, like, on the 1 minute, right, what matters is we're within this higher time frame bullish area. So I want to be looking for bullish price action to form here. For example, if we come here and find support, you could potentially long this on the 1 minute with your entry here and like your target like up here, and that's probably a scalp. I don't know if it'll happen, but right, if you're bullish on the high time frame in this zone, on the 1 minute, you just need to be looking for reasons to get long, i.e. bullish price action. What's up? What's up? Hey, main from Sri Lanka. What's up, Sri Lanka? Bro, isn't there a lower high and lower low on the H4? Sure. But what trumps the H4, right? Because you've got to put everything in context. This is a little downtrend here, but this is within a larger potential uptrend. In an uptrend, there's going to be periods of down, right? So you have to have the context and be able to layer the time frames on top of each other. Chupapi Muñano. Chupapi Munano. Chupapi Muñano. I don't know what that fucking means. Thanks for your work. What do you think about the Hex USDC pair? I don't know, bro. Come on now. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Well, okay, fuck. I don't know. I wish all of my money was in this and not in fucking other shit. It's in an uptrend. The only thing I would say that is a potential cause for concern, and not yet, is we've got potential weakness here, right? So right now, this is in a big old uptrend. We just ran this low, SFP'd, and got a nice reaction. So basically, you could be bullish here, and if we make a higher high, you long the next dip. If we lose this box, then this probably comes down to like here. And that could be a pretty big percentage. I don't know. Can we profit off pump and dumps? I don't fucking know, bro. Usually not. Usually you're the one getting pumped and dumped. The people who are organizing it are the ones who make money, not you. Do you do diagonals in your TA? Not really. Sometimes I'll use little trend lines, but not really part of my system. Will Michael Saylor sell at 20K? His average is 25K something. I don't think Michael Saylor ever sells. Have you seen him talk about Bitcoin? He can't get liquidated. And the amount he's buying and the way he's buying it, I don't really see him selling. Who knows though? Thoughts on the BTC Death Cross? Don't care. I bag held alts through 18, 19, never again. Preach, brother. Mr. Trader Neck, what should a person do to become so thick in the neck area? You're going to want to drink a gallon of milk a day. You're going to want to go to the gym, and you're going to want to do shoulder shrugs and neck isolation movements for 2 hours every single day. I would pay to watch you sleep. That's weird. DM me though. Keith, sleeping is legendary, but you have 50% more viewers. That's good to know that I've got more viewers than a sleeping guy. Bro, do you change your fib on each time frame, or do I use the same one on all charts? I use the same one on all charts. Stop loss is below here. What's good, River Moon? What games do you play? I'm going to be playing Horizon Zero Dawn. Only have audio right now. What price did you say you would add more? I'm willing to add all the way down to 35,900. Sir, you're losing MacBook money right now. I have a feeling it's going to come back. I have a feeling I'm going to make money on this trade. I don't know. Could be wrong. This man is in the trenches with us. You're goddamn right. What the fuck is this Canadian saying? That's how me and the boys used to talk, right? Back when you're fucking playing hockey or playing sports with the boys. That's how we fucking talk, man. I sound Giga Canadian. That's because I am Giga Canadian. No, I did not play in the WHL. I mean, I hope the Habs win. I'm in Vancouver, so I'm a Canucks fan, so I'm just used to being disappointed. I am basically a guy from Letterkenny. I did grow up on a farm, so bullish div on the H1. Yeah, kind of. We'll see. Like, this is the monthly open. This is key, right? Because if we lose the monthly open, right? Like, if we lose the monthly open for June, right? So here's June. Here's below the monthly open, above the monthly open, right? What you want to assume is that we close further up, because this, hopefully, we opened the month up, traded down, made a big low. You want to hope that this is the low for June. So ideally, right, we're not going to trade too long back below the monthly open. Day in the life. Okay. You trade other shit coins or not really? I trade shit coins when there's trades to be had. Are you trading on MetaTrader? Why do you not trade on BTC on Binance? I do both. I trade on Binance. I trade on... MetaTrader is not a broker. MetaTrader is an application that allows me to access and trade on brokers that I use. So I trade Forex, and a lot of these brokers now offer crypto. What's your rationale for drawing the fib from that low to that lower high in the peaks rather than at the higher high one to the right? Because this is the price swing. This is the price swing. This is the swing low. This is the swing high, right? Because the next candle was a down candle. So this is now a swing high. And that ends up being a stop swing failure pattern. This is a swing high on its own, and you could draw the fib from there to there. The difference would be very minimal in terms of the fib numbers, but this is the swing that we're dealing with here. Dropping so much alpha for you boys. Like, literally so much alpha. What broker do you recommend? I use my FX Choice. If you're listening, sponsor me. Give me money. Let me get on stream. Bro, I'm about to play video games. It's not really a joint stream. If you want to get on stream, let's do one like tomorrow or something. I mean, wasn't it funny how the Pi cycle top predicted the market crash? I mean, funny if I didn't fucking like not sell the top, sure, but seeing as I didn't sell the top, not funny at all. Did you sell your Nerve? No, Nerve is like a fucking doom bag for me, unfortunately. I'm friends with the guys behind Nerve who created Nerve, so I bought in to support them. So I'm probably just gonna hold it because I own a lot, and if I were to dump it, it would nuke price pretty hard. But yeah, I'm down bad on Nerve. Changes the way we think about the cycle top of the future. Thoughts on BTC low volume? I don't look at volume. Fucking wheel snipe Sally. Bar Mexi all day. I'm fucking dangling. I'm dangling D-men, then going bar down. I need bag hold through the last bear. Got disconnected from the scene and missed DeFi. A little bag holding keeps you in the game. Yeah, sure. What's good, Jose? Okay. Okay, I can't catch up to all this shit. It's too much. I did not have any Titan. You're using my FTX referral. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Exit Scam. We'll get you on stream soon. I just want to, like, I'm just going to be playing video games here, man. So I'll play video games. I'll have the chart kind of, you know, on in the background. I'll flip back and forth like last time. But I want to play some games. I want to play some fucking games. Exit Scam is drunk and just dropping fucking alpha. What a legend. What a legend. Just gonna get the game going here, y'all. How about that fucking ASMR shit? Isn't that shit fucked? Why is this not opening? It's not opening. Bro, Balajim, I see your question, bro. You don't need to fucking copy and paste it 10 times. Yeah, I'm bullish on DXY, right? Like, I'm bullish on DXY. I've posted that. And I don't think that that's particularly a good thing for crypto, right? Like, if the dollar is bullish, generally risk assets like crypto, things traded against the dollar, risk assets like the S&P will drop. That being said, the correlation is not as strong as it was, right? Because we had, I mean, if you look, right, where was the top on Bitcoin, right? Right here. Or sorry, this is the top on Bitcoin, like right here. This is that whole move to like 60K, right? And then the top, right around when the dollar started to rally, Bitcoin started to top. So the fact that the dollar is bullish is not ideal for being bullish on crypto. That being said, it's not a one-to-one correlation. However, the correlation is very relevant. Like, if you look at just the dates, this is the COVID bottom right there. So Bitcoin bottomed, the dollar topped, Bitcoin went on a bull run, the dollar died, right? Look at 2017. Here's the top of the dollar, right? Here's the top of, here was the bottom on Bitcoin. And the top on Bitcoin was right here. The top on Bitcoin was right here, and then boom, dollar started to rally, Bitcoin entered a bear market. So there's definitely an inverse correlation. It's not one-to-one though. So just because the dollar is rallying, it doesn't necessarily mean that crypto is going to die, but it's not ideal. Like what I want is the dollar to die for Bitcoin to continue to rally. That being said, I don't think the dollar is strong. At like maybe the dollar comes up to here and Bitcoin goes to like 20K, but overall the dollar is going lower in my opinion. I think we will see like sub 85 on the dollar eventually, but a move like this could definitely be confluent with a big dump on Bitcoin further down. Right? I'm in a long. I want to be bullish. I want shit to go up. Who the fuck doesn't? But you have to be aware that like just because we're bouncing here and we're consolidating here, it doesn't mean we're just gonna do this. Could we? Maybe. Could we come up to here and then die? Could we come up to here and then die? Could we come up to here and then go higher? There's tons of potential scenarios, and mapping them all out is sweet. Be like, oh, like this is gonna happen, this again, but it doesn't really add any value to your individual trades that you're taking. We're within a range. I'm trading within a range right now. From like a high time frame perspective, every time Bitcoin has had a drop like this, like 50%, it generally goes into a bear market. Most of the time. Not every time, but most of the time we have like a 50-60% drop. We usually enter a bear market. So you have to keep that in mind, that there is a situation where this does not just go like this. It could go higher, and then we could come down here. And then maybe even lower. We don't fucking know, right? But if this is the top, and then we're entering a bear market, 2013, 2017, 2009 or 10, whenever the one was previous before that, every bear market from top to bottom has been around 80%. 80% off of the 60K top takes us down to like 10 fucking K, right? So you have to be aware that anything is fucking possible. We have record high unemployment. That I'm trying to be rational and realistic with you and show you how an actual trader views the market. And when you're an actual trader, your bias is very fluid. If it's bullish, you look for longs. If it's bearish, you look for shorts. My stream stopped. Oh no, what happened? Having all sorts of fucking issues right now on my computer. Ah. Sorry guys, one sec. My fucking broker is frozen right now. Thursday. Weird. Okay, well. Okay, we're back. That's annoying. It's annoying. My broker's like frozen and my fucking game won't fucking load. I don't understand. think the Winklevosses are billionaires and they don't fucking care. Why am I streaming on 2 platforms? Because I can. I literally can't even open. I can't even open the game right now. I don't really want to restart because then it's gonna fucking nuke the stream. Should I just play Overwatch? I know I said I was gonna play Horizon Zero Dawn, but should I play Overwatch instead? These are first world problems, but it's annoying. Any idea why Cred and Donald think if we lose 36K it's GG? Because we tested 32K too much. I didn't watch their stream. But look at the chart yourself. Right? So if this is our range, this is our mid-range, 36K, right? We've been trading within this range for like a month now. Now we are putting in some bullish market structure here. And if we fail to break up from here and get to the range high and potentially higher, I don't know if it's GG forever, but we're definitely making new lows, right? Because we ran this low to generate this move up. If this move up fails to go higher, yeah, if we get back below the mid-range, my next target is here and lower. So I agree with them, right? If this is bullish, we need to hold this area, right? If we lose this area, we've now got a big deviation above this high and an SFP here, and we'll be making bearish market structure after a big move to the top of the range. You short down to here and probably lower. But yeah, I didn't watch their stream, but I don't disagree. I do not disagree. Well, I can't even fucking play the fucking game. This is annoying. Play a game called Slither.io. It sounds weird. What do you mean the whole what do I mean the whole West Coast going down? I don't know what you mean. The sign from the Lords of the Rift that you must download League. That's funny. Can you do a quick recap of your entry? Bro, go watch the start of the stream, bro. Come on now. I've also told you my entry is on screen. And I told you why on stream and on Twitter. I've recapped it like four places. Ever played Valorant or Apex? Yes, I've played both. I like Apex. I just haven't played in so long. I feel like I would suck now. And I'm just kind of over Battle Royale games. I feel like I'm just tired of them. We can see part of the MetaTrader window. That's on purpose. Daily block, guys. We lose the daily block. It's Goblin Town. Exactly, right? Think about it. If this is bullish, we need to hold this. We have a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. We need to form a higher low here. If we don't, this is a big lower high, and we're trading way lower. So, as Exit Scam said, Goblin fucking Town. Anyone else having problems with the stream? Hopefully it's working now. It says there's 200 viewers. I don't want it to go lower. I FOMO'd long at 37,900. Well, what can you do, bro? I just bought $800 of BTC. Hold the line. Amazing, bro. Nice job. We spent several days building a daily block consolidation. If that fails, we probably retest the yearly lows. I completely agree. Main, the rejection at 41K could have been a bearish retest on the daily time frame. Absolutely. This could be it, bro. Like I want either this or up here. Like I want like this or this. It doesn't have to all go to new lows, but I want a retest of one of these two areas. But this could be it. We could just be bearish right here. Like this could be a retest of the bottom of this big distribution. And that could be it. But this is potentially promising and we have support here. So I'm not going to short into support. I would rather wait for us to break down and then short it. Let's see if you really rep. Why is my MetaTrader fucking frozen, dog? This is not cool. Play OSU. I don't know what that is. Have you played peak Fortnite? I played regular Fortnite. I'm just not good at the building. This guy says we're going below 30K. Too much liquidity there, man. Too much liquidity. How do you know there's not liquidity upside, bro? Liquidity. Such a meme. Can you just manage my portfolio for you? No. You watch Loki yet? No. Fuck. I'm gonna watch an episode tonight. Thanks for reminding me. My plan is to buy the 30K capitulation low or no trades till we're bullish again. That's cool, man. It's a good plan. How come you didn't draw the OB on the down candle that led to that move? I literally did. If we break 36K, it's control I and up only. I'm bullish until Sailor Money comes in, then Goblin Town. Potentially promising. Do you ever take low time frame trades or mostly longer trades? I do both. I'm more of a kind of like medium term, short term trader. I'm not really a scalper as much as I'd like to be. If you get 2-to-1 RR, you only need to win 33% of your trades. Out of 10 trades, yeah, if you win 3.3 trades, you break even, correct. Yeah, beta trader for sure. I'm not loading up your Twitter link here, bro. How does my trading style differ from Trader Samwise? I would say the main way that my trading style differs from Trader Samwise is I don't know who Trader Samwise is, so that's probably the main way that our trading styles differ. Opinion on Deathcross, don't care. Pop on some GoldenEye 64. That would be sick. You play StarCraft? No, I don't. Your broker is frozen. I know. I don't know what's going on. I closed it and reopened it and nothing's happened. What's your stance on indicators? I think some indicators can be great if you know how to use them, but they're not enough to make decisions based on. You need to have an understanding of market structure and price action to go with indicators. Any trader you see on Twitter who uses indicators, like Cold-Blooded Schiller uses RSI, Zoran Kohli uses Ichimoku clouds. They all have a deep understanding of market structure and price action and use indicators as confluence for their decision making, not the reason that they make their decisions. So you still need to understand price action. You have to. Thank you for this alpha, as always, mate. Gotta head off. See you later, bro. Thanks for tuning in. So you're basically a PA trader. Like, how long have you been, like, do you watch any of my videos? Do you follow me on Twitter? I'm like, yes, I'm absolutely a PA trader. Half the PA traders on Twitter are literally my children. They come from my loins. My nutsack fucking birthed them. Quant Tower is a really good broker if you want to use a different one. Okay, I'll look into it. Do you think going down more is the most likely scenario in the short term, or could we bounce from here? Some of you guys' questions, man. I'm in a long. I'm long here based on all of the reasons that I've been discussing for a move up. So I'm betting on a move up. If I'm wrong, we're going lower. To me, this is the best area to long for another leg up. This kind of area right here. Because if we lose this, I'm selling the retest and I'm not closing it for a while. I don't have an opinion on the death cross. When tutorial? Watch some of my videos. I literally did a 4-hour stream 2 days ago where I went over so much shit. Why do you only short the perp and not the 1231? Isn't it better? Blah, 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 blah. I'm not even short, so I don't know what you're talking about. And yeah, sometimes I will short the futures or perps. It depends on funding. It depends on if there's a premium. But yeah, what you're saying is correct, but I'm literally in a long. What do you think about Zoran? I think Zoran is awesome. I have an interview with Zoran on my YouTube. You can go watch. What do you recommend to get good at marking support and resistance? Maybe books or someone to watch. You're literally watching my YouTube channel asking me who you should watch. Watch me, motherfucker. What are you talking about? Go watch my videos. I literally have hundreds of videos where I explain how to mark up the charts. I have a free Discord with an education section that many paid group leaders have stolen from. Watch me and then spend time in the charts and practice. That's what I recommend. No books, chart time. Death cross comes for all of us. Don't. The problem with the death cross meme is it is such a lagging indicator. Like when the death cross confirms, we're fucking 60% off of all-time high. How valuable is that? Not very, in my opinion. In my opinion, most indicators lag. They're decent high time frame analysis mixed with PA. Exactly. All an indicator does is it visualizes volume and price in a different way. So if you understand how to read price, you don't really need an indicator. And yes, they are lagging for the most part. I like salsa tequila. I don't get how he trades. Like he's like a super low time frame scalper, in and out kind of thing. That's not how I trade, but I like salsa. He's a buddy. When are you longing gold again? I'm literally long gold right now. Yes, I didn't brag too hard about my short. I only made one post about it. That's true. Cred quotes Main a lot in his videos. He's a real one. Shout out to my homie Cred. That's my boy. Invalidation at 34.5K. Main, we are your children. You're not sack. Yes, you are. Where did you learn PA? ICT, Tom Dante, Trader SZ, and just years of chart time. Okay. Oh, Can Punk, what's up? How you doing, bro? I don't know how I deal with this chat either. Okay. If you want the optimal lifestyle, never have married or have kids. That sounds a little lonely though, don't you think? I'm reading comments from YouTube and Twitch at the same time. I have an aggregator. How's the cut coming along? I'm still just starting it, but I was 230 at my peak like a month and a half ago. I'm about 215 right now. Do you still have longs open years ago? No. I mean, I own Bitcoin from a long time ago, but I don't have any leverage positions that are still open. Let's see if you really rep. I think it's gonna bounce soon, boys. I think it's gonna bounce soon. Might come a little lower. Like, we might come down here. But I'll just add, because I'm a gorilla. I will just add like an ape. I will add like a gorilla. What has the best price action? FX or crypto? I much prefer FX. I think FX is super clean. See you later, exit scam. Make sure to drink some water and take an Advil before bed, buddy. Cut 10 more pounds and I could fight at 205. Goddamn 230. I'm about 6'1", 6'2", maybe. I don't think it's that crazy. Kaleo made me buy the top. Kaleo didn't do anything, man. You bought the top. Oops. Gold, I'm watching this. Day in the life. So we had a weekly order block here after this big move up, right? What you have to watch on gold is this. Like, this is a downtrend on the weekly chart. Lower lows and lower highs. We did make a higher high above here, I guess. So basically similar to Bitcoin, banking on this being a higher low, hopefully. But the dollar is strong, so you have to be aware. And then on the daily, we had a swing failure pattern within our weekly order block, right? And now, what are we getting here? We're getting a little bit of bullish price action. So I'm currently long gold on this retest here. So I just longed it not that long ago, a couple hours ago. And I'm targeting at least up into here, assuming it can hold here. A day in the life. Let's see if you can really rap. Disappointed you skipped the MFK, dude. What's that even mean? Thank you, Steve Jobs. I literally did an entire video on the in silico indicators. It's on my YouTube. It's called the Crayons tutorial, and I explain exactly how I use it. Where do you plan to TP this long? I feel like this holds 45Ks destined, but I don't want to be greedy. Listen, I mean, if it gives me a big reaction, I will absolutely TP some on the way up because we are still in a range and the preceding trend is down. This is the key level. I want to see us make a higher high above here. So I will likely TP some up into this high. And then if we flip this level, I will add back and then hold that for a move into this 12-hour order block here. Will alts pop or just BTC? Alts will, if BTC goes to 45K, alts versus USD will rally, but alts versus BTC will probably bleed. So serious question, do you ever get random American dimes when you get change? I do. Sometimes, yeah. Maybe Maine versus Blauchowicz 205 champ fight. Yeah, no thanks. I've been punched in the head enough times in my life to know that I don't like it. I'm Canadian, not American. I don't know if the bear market is confirmed. I don't know. I have no idea. If Bitcoin breaks down, then I would say we're entering a bear market. Yeah, and it wouldn't be surprising seeing as we're already down 50 fucking %. But yeah, you can make money by shorting, right? Or like what people don't understand is if you have crypto and you sell it to USD, you're effectively short crypto, right? So it's not the end of the world if price goes down, because as price goes down, your buying power increases. I'm literally so annoyed with every application right now. I can't play my game. And my fucking broker is fucking frozen. Super fucking annoying. I just want to play a fucking video game, and this shit, they don't want me to win, boys. I can't open Steam. I don't understand. Dude, I can't believe that in Calgary they're reopening the Stampede. Oh, that's awesome. The Stampede is a fucking super fun time. Yeah, in my Discord there is videos and stuff on ICT. Marry, fuck, kill. What are you talking about? How do you go about developing your edge in the market? Fucking years of experience and thousands of hours of chart time and meticulous journaling, back testing, forward testing, finding what works. I thought he was playing the game. I want to play. It won't work. Do you consider upcoming catalysts when trading a particular asset, i.e. ADA smart contracts or 1559? Absolutely not. Do I think that these things are, first of all, Cardano smart contracts? I'll believe that when pigs can fly. Come on. Yeah, I mean, it matters, but again, it's one of those things. I talked about this in the last stream where you'll have some sort of catalyst or some sort of bullish narrative coming out. And let's say, Cardano announces smart contracts and we pump, right? People are going to say, oh, it's because of the smart contracts, right? That's why we're pumping. But what if we dump? Then what, right? Like the news always comes after. The news always comes after where it's like, oh, well, because we pumped and then, oh, it's because they're announcing smart contracts. That's why we pumped. Like, it's not actionable information for you to just long because they might be announcing smart contracts, right? So you're better off just focusing on the chart, in my opinion. More viewers than Keith. Let's fucking go. How is Horizon Zero Dawn? I would love to tell you if I was able to play. What year did I enroll with ICT? I don't know, like 2017, 2016? Good morning, Donnie. When game? I'm trying, bro. It won't open. Jesus. Trader Main, macroeconomics perspective. You think too highly of me, bro. I'm not this smart, but I'll try. Lumber crash front running the real estate, considering traditional correlation, inflation, correction on commodities, risk on assets like BTC, or hyperinflation, HH. I don't know, bro. I have no idea. Like, I am not a macroeconomic trader. I am a price action, short to medium term time frame trader, and all of my decisions are made based on the charts and pretty much nothing else. Like the COVID crash, did I long it because of COVID? No, I longed it because we dumped like 60% in like a half day and retested a low that we had made like a year before. I bought panic. I didn't buy it because it was COVID. Punches are illegal in jiu-jitsu. Okay. Oh, so he's a jiu-jitsu fighter? Man, how could people not love a dude like you? Learn so much every time I watch your video. I appreciate that very much. Thank you. You get one of those. How do you manage to stay organized? I am very unorganized. That's probably one of my biggest weaknesses is that I am unorganized. I'm a procrastinator. I'm unorganized. I'm a procrastinator. And I have ADHD. So, not a great combo. Organization is hard for me. Have your real life friends ever said anything about your neck? I have had comments from real life friends before that I have a thick neck. It's not just a Twitter thing, but Twitter has definitely taken it to places far beyond what I ever expected. I'm using FX Choice. Check Task Manager and exit the program that's lagging. Okay, I'll try that. Bro, you might have to restart the rig. I don't want to, though. God, there's so many fucking tweets here, guys. Morning from London, bro. What's up? All right, I am going to try something here. See, Steam is not even running. I don't understand. I don't want to restart. Oh shit, that is hype. Oh, whoever suggested Task Manager, I think it worked. Let's go. Can I get a W in the chat for the boys? Let's go. We are massive. Now the only thing that's frozen is my broker. My broker is still showing that we're trading lower than we actually are. I'm out, main. Thanks as always for the knowledge. By the way, MFK is a game where you say 3 names. Okay. Oh, I know what Marry, Fuck, Kill is. Okay, I got it. That's why I said Crypto Finally, Wendy, or Scott Melker. Jesus Christ. That's savage. I can't answer that, bro. I'm a valued member of this community. I can't be taking shots at my fellow influencers. How dare you? But I do know what my answers are. Instantly, I know exactly what my answers are, but I can't say. I can't say. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I can't fucking do it. Bullish or bearish within the range? I'm leaning bullish, hence why I'm long. I just figured out why it's easy to watch. You always answer short and precise. That's nice of you to say, because I tend to think that I ramble needlessly. Is it offensive to ask my age? No, I am 30 years old. What's your gaming rig? I built it myself. I've got an RTX 3070, and I don't know what else I got. I had a friend pick all the parts for me. Why are you trading on MT4? Aren't the spreads and commissions high? Depends on your broker, but I have a bunch of money. I trade a ton of Forex, so I have a bunch of money on Forex on some of my brokers. So it's just extra trading capital that I can trade with, right? I have money on Bybit, on Binance, on FTX. I also have money on Forex brokers. So I will long on one, short on another. I do all sorts of crazy shit, man. I do all sorts of crazy shit. You say you won't tell anyone, except for this video is literally on the internet. I use my FX Choice and Oanda to trade gold. My Discord link is in the description of my Twitter. So if you go on my Twitter and you click on my yacht, you'll see my Discord link in there. What weight am I hoping to get down to? I think I can get down to 190, 195. I don't see why not. Get some abs, get a little cut up. You thought there'd be some ear licking, some fucking ASMR shit, you fucking weirdos. How's that? Yeah, I love trading FX, man. Like, I used to post quite a bit of FX stuff on Twitter, but like it literally would get like, I'll post a Bitcoin chart like that looks bullish, it'll get like 500 likes. I'll post like an FX trade with like stop. Every time I post FX, I'll actually post trades, stop, entry, take profit, everything, play out 2, 3, 4R, and they get 0 engagement. Learning a lot from you. Thanks, Kijera. I appreciate that, bro. Tomek says, hey, I'm coming from trading to poker where the top players don't share knowledge. Why is trading so different? I think it's different because poker, generally, you're playing against, in other individuals. Me sharing shit is not going to erode my edge or my alpha, in my opinion. Trading is too big, and you're really trading against much larger entities, where poker, I think, is a bit more competitive, right? Also, I could show people exactly what I do, step by step, everything. And I share a lot, but I don't share everything. A lot of what I share is very basic information that you can find on YouTube. Drawing support and resistance, using Fibonacci's, basic risk management. But if I showed someone, and I've done this before, where I've mentored someone or taught them, and I'll show them everything. And they still won't be able to do what I do because most people are not willing to put in the time necessary to actually get good at it. Because I can tell you what I do, but until you go into your own charts and you spend thousands of hours trying to identify the things that I look for and know when the time is right to long, to short, etc., it's not just going to work for you. You can try and copy me. It won't work unless you put in the time yourself, and most people won't. I don't think 99% of people or whatever it is fail at trading because it's hard. I mean, it is hard, but I think most of them get discouraged and give up. Giveaway money for university fees. Got wrecked. I could do a giveaway sometime. Are you familiar with mirrored protocol? Is it safe to invest in mirrored shares on Uniswap, or can they rug? I have no idea. I've never heard of it. What is your reason to go long here? I've explained it already. I'm basically banking on us making a higher low somewhere in this area for another leg higher. So I am building along in this area. What are our thoughts on getting to 40K? I hope we fucking do. I hope we fucking do. How many assets do I watch or trade besides BTC, and how many would you advise a newbie? I trade a bunch. I trade gold, silver, Euro USD, dollar CAD, crypto, some stocks. For a newbie, find one chart and really try and master it. Yeah, should I do my next stream in a hot tub? Are you allergic to anything? That's a weird question. Are you trying to murder me? I'm allergic to fucking cats and penicillin. Yeah, I trade oil sometimes. I don't really have any Forex tutorials on my Twitter. I used to do a video series called Metals with Maine where I would cover gold and silver. So you can go watch those, and I do a lot of educational stuff in those streams. Let me show you a good time in New York, brother. Yeah, I would love. I've been in New York only once, and it was for a very, very brief visit, so I would love to go back. Forex has a worse rep than crypto because of all the Ponzi's and FF mentorship groups. Yeah, it's definitely got a bad rap with the fake gurus and all that bullshit. So for sure. But a lot of people think you can't make money trading Forex, which I think is funny. I've been playing DFS professionally for the last 4 years, and trading seems harder, but I'm getting a little better thanks to you. That's fucking awesome, bro. I don't know what DFS is, but thanks. Where I notice you are good is the patience to keep your positions. That's because I'm trading on the higher time frames, right? Like if you're entering a trade like this, the problem when I was streaming this trade is we shorted here on stream, and I streamed for like 4 hours. And so basically we just watched this. And when you're watching this live, right, and you're short and you're like, you see 3 green candles in a row, you're like, oh fuck, it's coming back to my entry, I'm fucked. But my trade is based on the high time frame. Like this is part of the process. But so generally I wouldn't be staring at it. I babysat that position and was analyzing it for your guys' benefit. Normally I enter that trade, my stop is in, and like I'm getting off screen, I'm going to bed, I'm playing video games, I'm going to the gym. Because when you stare at it unnecessarily, that's when you fuck yourself out of a position because you're like, oh, it's going against me, and then ends up working out, right? Your account equity on your broker is showing. I don't care. What does it say? What am I at? 305, 304,000? That's okay. That's not bad. Is everything open in Toronto? I'm not in Toronto, so I wouldn't know. Yeah, the counterparties in Forex are more sophisticated, but if you know what you're looking for, it can actually be very predictable. And Forex's volatility is much more predictable, right? Like during the Asian session, you usually range. London Open, you usually get a spike in volatility. So I find it easy because I know when I need to focus. Crypto will just move whenever the fuck it wants. I'm fucking pressed about this shit not working. I want to... There we go. Now my broker just updated. So now we're only down $600. Let's go! Let's fucking go! My neighbors hate me. Have you ever made a video relating to risk management and position sizing? I have not, because Crypto Cred has a video on that and he can explain it way better than I can. Lake Louise is awesome. Yeah, no. I'm pretty sure. I think we might get one more spike down. I don't know yet, but I think we might. It is MT4. I use my FX choice. I feel like half the questions in the chat are questions I've answered before. How are you sure when you enter a trade? You're not. No one knows, right? That's one of the most common questions I get is people will say like, how did you know it was going to bounce for that level? You don't, right? What you have is previous data saying, okay, well, in the past, when I've seen this happen, usually this happens. So you have all that previous data. And then you have pieces of confluence. Okay, I've got this bullish reason, A, B, C, and D. All of these reasons stacked together. I'm willing to take a trade here, which is risk managed, and hope that it works out. There's no guarantee that it will. All trading is taking pieces of confluence, indicators, price action, market structure, all the shit that you use. You put it all together, You enter the trade and it's an educated guess. Hopefully, using your previous experience and all of your indicators and whatever you use, you have a potential edge on the market, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen every time. You can have a high time frame level where you're like, it is going to bounce here. And then it could just do this. And you were wrong. And you move on to the next trade. So you never know for sure. Maine, can you explain at what level you would take a short on a future to hedge to get yourself extra profit? So if I'm looking at this range here, which is what we're trading in, if this long works out, right, you're going to want to hedge near the range high, because we could always come back down, make another higher low, and then continue. But you don't know for sure, right? Ultimately, if this long works out, my target is up here, and that's where I will close out and potentially start shorting. But the key level for me is here. I want to see us reclaim this. If we come up here, pull back here, this is really good confirmation that we're going to go higher. Can you recommend some books? I've never read a TA book. Everyone always asks me, like, what's a good book to learn TA? I don't think there are any. I don't know. Maybe there are. Think about it this way. If you are so good at trading that you've mastered TA, like, why would you write a fucking book about it? You know what I mean? Like, the way you get good is spending time in the charts. Would you ever do a scalping session on crypto? Or like Crypto Face and do 10 mil scalps on live? I don't trust that Crypto Face guy at all. He has 100,000 followers on YouTube. He has thousands of people watching his streams, and then he will open low time frame massive positions on Bybit, which is not a super liquid exchange. Like, I can max out the liquidity on Bybit. And like, I'm not a monster. I'm a big trader, but I'm not like a fucking monstrous whale. And he advertises his entire position, stop, entry, and take profit. To me, that just seems a little shady. So no, I would not do that. I also don't know if I've ever entered a 10 million position before. I've never opened a position that big. I always feel entering a trade is kind of easy, but finding the right exit point is hard. Yeah, I mean, exiting the trade is just as important as how you enter the trade. See ya, Jose. I know you probably don't normally use it, but aren't we getting a 1 hour bullish divergence? We are. We are. A little bit of a bull div here on the H1, promising. Do you find that different coin charts have different behavior? If so, what do you think of this? I mean, yeah, coins definitely, some coins trade differently than others. I find like during the bull run, Ethereum traded super clean. How do you usually take profit? It depends. There's no one word answer for that. It depends on the trade, depends on the chart, depends on a lot of things, but I will oftentimes leave runners on if I think there's a chance of more upside. What size monitor do you think is optimal? I don't know. I have 3 27-inch monitors. I have 2 of them horizontal, and I have 1 of them that's vertical. Do you have videos about Forex? You can go watch my Metals with Main videos that I did like a year ago. Those are Forex related. Is there a certain time zone that ends the daily, weekly candle? It depends. The same time everywhere, just depends on where you live. For me, on the West Coast, same time zone as LA, it's 5 p.m. In London, or in London, I believe it is like midnight, I think, in London. What broker you use? My FX choice. You should do a 1K starting scalp on stream on the 1 minute. I don't really stream. I don't really stream. I don't really scalp, so I don't really know why I'd want to do that. CryptoFace sells his indicator and is probably delta neutral hedge on his trade. I kind of agree. I feel like he either has like a deal with Bybit, or he's just using money that he gets from selling his indicators and is like taking a trade in both directions. So if he wins, he posts it on YouTube. If he loses, he deletes it. Like, I've seen him stream while he's down, and then that video gets deleted later. So I don't know. I don't know for sure. Maybe he's a god. I have no idea. The only thing I still haven't gotten down is how to manage my position size on different RR trades. Have a set position size, 2%, 3%, and that's it. And then if you're really confident on the trade, maybe up it, but it should be a static number. It shouldn't change based on the risk reward. It should change based on maybe the confidence you have in the setup. Do you trade the same way you did a couple of years ago? Some things are similar, but I've refined a lot and I've gotten a lot better. Is it useful to have Elon notifications on to make quick scalps, or is it dumb? I don't know. Have you tried it and has it worked? Like, I mean, maybe there's some alpha there, but how many other people are trying to do the same thing, right? I don't know. Could work. See you later, bro. How do you decide on how much to take off at different TPs? It depends. It all depends, bro. See you later, Capsule. Have a good night, buddy. Change the stream title to Free Alpha. Free Alpha. I should. Cheddar Keg says, with a lot of people in stables right now and people getting wrecked by iron and all of these shorts open, couldn't BTC price get shot up quickly with some high profile buys? Maybe, but how do you know that the massive amounts of shorts opening on Bitfinex isn't some really big smart entity who knows that the market is going to roll over? You don't know, right? You don't know who is in those positions. You have no data for who's in stables and who's not, right? So it's all kind of just speculation. See you later, Eric. Have a good night, man. What's up, bra guy? Do I still watch ICT? Sometimes, not as much as I used to. ICT rambles a lot. Like, I've taken his mentorship. I've watched all of the videos multiple times. I've watched all of his free videos multiple times. And he could condense all of that shit so much if he wanted to. How do we know about what YouTubers to trust? I don't think you should trust anyone on the internet, me included. I think you should make your own decisions, right? That way, if you fuck up, it's on you. And if you do well, it's also because of you and no one else, right? You shouldn't rely on anyone. As much as I like to help people and I'm on here trying to share advice and whatever, I'm not a financial advisor, and my main concern is making me more money, not making you money, right? Like, and that's how you have to approach life. Don't have high expectations of people you don't know. Assume that everyone has ulterior motives and that everyone is self-interested, right? If you go through life expecting people to have your level of, kind of morals and shit, you're going to be disappointed a whole lot. What is your fit? And don't trust any YouTubers who are, if they're only bullish all the time and they use those cringy thumbnails and cringy fucking video titles and all they talk about is price only going up, probably don't trust them. And if they're BitBoy, definitely don't trust them. What's your favorite gym day? Obviously arms and chest. Can I explain my logo? I can't. I have no idea what it is. It's like a robot bird. That's what I typed in, like robot bird back in 2014, and that's what came up. I'm trying to not do a marathon, even though we're already like 2 hours deep. What's the worst trading streak I've experienced? I don't know, the entirety of the 2014-15 bear market, probably. I'm keeping a chunk of USDT, of my money in USDT. People saying it's risky. I don't think that's risky at all. I think that's smart. If we go down, you have ammo to buy the dip. If we go up, you can just buy back in after we confirm that we're going higher. God, okay. I'm gonna... These just become... All these videos have become is just Q&As, man. I don't even get to play any video games, but whatever. I need like fucking FTX and Blockfolio to fucking sponsor my streams, man, so I can get paid. I can get paid, be made in the shade. Or I need like Manscaped to fucking sponsor me so I can fucking sell you guys razors. Getting a little bit of bullishness here, boys. So what I want to see now, if this is going to go up from here, right? There's our swing failure pattern. What do I want to see? I want to see a higher high. I want to see a higher high get made, and then we will come up into here. And then probably pull back, hopefully a higher low, and then fucking moon it, mate. That would be ideal, but still too early to tell, right? This is a good start, but need to make a higher high above here. Do you ever get sick of the neck jokes? Absolutely not. I think it's hilarious, and if making fun of my neck makes people happy and make people laugh, I'm totally okay with that. I'm confident in myself. I don't have a huge ego. I have a little bit of an ego, but people making fun of my neck, first of all, I know everyone's joking. I don't think anyone is like being malicious in the way that they do it. I find it hilarious, and so I have no problem with it. I don't mind leaning into it. Why big mouth YouTubers have high followers, whereas traders such as you, what do you mean I got low engagement? I don't know, man. That's the way the world works generally, right? I mean, listen, I don't post a ton of YouTube. They post like highly edited videos, and they've been doing it for years. I imagine if I continuously posted on YouTube for a few years, I would get a bunch more followers. But it's the bull run, right? When the market is going up and you're like, buy, and then it continues to go up, you look smart, so people follow you. But a lot of these people, I'm telling you, will disappear if we go into a bear market. How should you manage position size when longing BTC and alts at the same time, considering the correlation in crypto and BTC basically moving the market? You should be careful, right? You should be careful. When you're trading a bunch of highly correlated assets, you're not really diversifying, right? So if you're long Bitcoin, long Ethereum, and long a bunch of alts, and the market pumps, great, right? Maybe some of your alts will outpace Bitcoin. But you don't want to just be long a bunch of shit that's super correlated, because if Bitcoin dumps, everything's going to dump, and alts are most likely going to dump harder. So don't get overexposed being long a whole bunch of different things that are essentially correlated, right? Find the one that has the clearest setup for you and fucking trade it. It's not neck day. Ha ha ha. Would you be bullish if Bitcoin consolidates above the mid-range? I want to see Bitcoin move. I don't think consolidating at support is bullish. I want to see it hit support and then move away. Thoughts on paper trading? I don't see anything wrong with it. It's a good way to practice. Another thing you can do is just trade with small size until you get more comfortable. Do I regret getting my CPA title? No, because I didn't know what I was going to do. I thought I was going to be an accountant. When I say manage your risk, do you say if you're trading with 10% of your portfolio, you're risking 2% of that 10%? Whatever amount of money I have on a given exchange, I'm basing my risk on that, not of my entire portfolio. I mean, I do for certain trades like investments and shit, longer term shit. But if I have $100,000 on an account, 2% is $2,000. If Brad Pitt tried to kiss you, what would I do? I'd probably kiss him back. He's handsome, and he's super rich. So I'd probably kiss him back, and then I would probably try and me too him and get some money. People say USDT is a scam. Yeah, they've been saying Tether's a scam for years. Who fucking knows? To be honest, these streams are super chill, and it's nice hanging out with you. Thanks, Andre. I appreciate that, man. I like hanging out with you guys too. I loved your video with Cred. So much alpha. Yeah, that was a good video. Would you consider a collab with local YouTubers like Main Trader and DDE Vlog? I don't know who DDE Vlog is, but you can DM me. Yeah, like my neck is not as big as people make it out to be. I'd say it's above average, but it's definitely not like fucking. I'm sure Size Chad has a fucking bigger neck. What's up? Do you use Market Profile? If you don't, then why? I've used Market Profile before. It's not part of my edge, right? One of the biggest problems people have with trading is information overload. They have way too many indicators, way too many different things, and all of a sudden you start getting conflicting signals and you just get analysis by paralysis. I have a system that works for me, so why would I try and add additional things to something that already works? You know what I mean? If you're still trying to figure out your edge, by all means, try things that you think might help, and don't be afraid to experiment. But once you have something that works, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The problem is people will be like, okay, I'm going to use Ichimoku Cloud. Now I'm going to use price action. Now I'm going to use RSI and MACD, and they don't spend enough time learning any of them. Right? They're like, they try this, then they try this, then they try this. Find one thing that resonates with you and then focus on it and put in the time, right? You've got to practice that over and over and over again. The reason I like price action is because it's clean, it's simple, there's not a lot of noise. You need the clickbait and the tags. Yeah, I could. Just don't really care. Yeah, I do need to say urgent more. Don't grow a beard. Don't want to be known as the resident crypto neckbeard. Well, the good news is I can't grow a beard. No TA books, dude. Use the charts. Yes, everyone is an expert. Everyone is an expert in the bull run. I didn't FOMO in on the dip. I longed after I saw this SFP. Then I started longing. So I'm hoping we go up from here, but I'm prepared to add lower. Crypto Face might look dodgy, but he's an excellent trader. Sure. I don't really know. I don't watch that many of his videos. I've seen a few. Big necks and calves are indicators for passionate bodybuilders. There you go. Main, when the market shifts from up only to something like what we have now, what adjustments do you make in your trading? Well, I start looking for shorts, and I start looking for reasons that we might be going down or going sideways, right? When you're going up only, all you got to focus on is longing support. When the market dynamics change, so does your trading. If we're in a ranging environment like now, you need to trade that differently than you would an uptrend or a downtrend. Jennifer Phillips says he's literally the definition of financial literacy. He's not just giving you a stock pick like other YouTubers. He actually teaches you how to read the market. Good luck to everyone trading. I don't know who you're talking about. If you're talking about me, thank you. If you had to guess how many trades are you taking per week on average? Fuck, I have no idea. It totally depends on the market. If the market is super bullish, probably a shitload more because I'm just longing everything. When the market is going sideways like it is now, sometimes 1 a day, 2 a day, sometimes none. Do you journal? Not as much as I used to. Has your CPA title helped you in any way in your trading career? I would say no. What's my favorite fight theme from Shippuden? That's a great question. Number one is Kakashi versus Obito in the Kamui dimension. That's probably my favorite. Who is SMFX? He's a buddy of mine who is a fellow price action trader. Does he read Twitch comments? He does. Main, any thoughts on how to develop your own trading style? Fucking find something that resonates with you and then practice it, man. Right? Take pieces. You don't have to just copy me. If you like something I do, take it, use it, add it to what you're already doing. But just practice. We need to get Main a sponsor so we can get more Q&As. Steal his alpha. You guys are funny. What are the biggest whoops you've done trading-wise that you can share? I don't know, fucking longing altcoins and holding them in a bear market. That's lost me literally millions of dollars. London volume could be coming in. Yeah, it's getting to be, it's the morning there, so we'll have to see. The problem is I did this stream last time until like 2 in the morning my time, and we just kind of dicked around, and then as soon as I went to sleep at like 4 to 5 a.m. is when the move actually happened. So it's annoying. The trading hours for me here on the West Coast are definitely annoying. Thanks for being a beast. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. You're a million already. Why always want more? Well, when you become a millionaire, you'll realize that you're going to want more too. If you have something that you can do that makes you money, why would you stop doing it? Especially when it's something you love, right? Why does Bill Gates still work? Why does Mark Cuban still work? They're billionaires. Why does Sam at FTX still work? He's a billionaire. Why doesn't he just fucking travel all day? You need to have purpose. You gotta have purpose. You gotta have a reason to get out of bed and something to do. You gotta have goals that you're working towards, or else your life is gonna be fucking boring as shit. What traders did you birth? Trader Cause. Trader Cause definitely learned a lot from me. He was in my group for a long time, but Trader Cause is one of those traders. Trader Cause is a friend who learned and then went and developed his own strategy using stuff that I taught him and other traders. I'm not the only person he learned from, and he's become a successful trader in his own right. So big shout out to Cause. He's a homie. Bro, Size Chad barely owns any crypto. Doesn't change the fact that he is a Chad. A lot of people try to copy SZ. Do you know someone who has a completely different style than SZ that is a very good trader? I know tons of traders who have a different style than him. Do you enjoy trading? I love it. It's the world's greatest video game. Horizon is working. I'm just too busy reading the chat. Tell us about Tyler, why he left BTG. I don't really want to talk about that, man. That's a long time ago, in the past. Lots has happened since then. Tyler is a friend of mine. I had a great time working with him. He's a good dude, and he's a hell of a trader. How's gaming helping passing the time while trading? It's good, because if I sit here and I stare at this chart, it's not going to change what's going to happen, right? So if I'm already in a trade and I know where my stop is, I know where my take profit is, what's the point of staring at it? The only reason I'm doing this right now is for you guys. Normally, I would either be in bed already or playing video games. West Coaster here, trading, ruining my sleep schedule. Tell me about it, bro. How much for you to type my name on your name with a marker and whisper in the mic? I don't know, $5. Sorry, I scrolled past a bunch of questions, guys, because there was just so many and I was so far behind. All right, he's opening up the game for the first time. Here we go. I already forgot how to play. This is this, this is this. Let's go. I don't even know what I'm doing. Follow the tracks. No. Hold on. Oh. Hold on. Here we go. Get yeeted. Oh. Okay. I guess fall damage is a thing. Get yeeted. $5 aka 1 BTC. Gamer Main. Yeah, let's go. Main is one of the coolest guys in crypto. So good to have you. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. That's very nice of you to say. Now let's pump the Bitcoin.
Cash. Why would they take them and just throw them away?
I should be able to kill them, to be honest.
She's my sister. My sister.
You might want to remove the Excel chart from the top left corner. I literally am leaving that up there on purpose so you guys can see my running position because I'm actually in a trade and I'm showing it to you guys live. Main, any advice on hair loss? I'm 23 and I'm pretty bullish on balding. I don't know, bro. Shave your head. I would say shaving your head is better than having thin hair. You're pretty young. I don't know. There's tons of stuff you can do. You can take finasteride. You could get a hair transplant. Beta Sensei, Big Beta, he knows a lot about hair loss because hair loss is a common side effect of steroids. So he's probably a better person to ask than me. But go to the gym, work out, get jacked, get cool tattoos. Don't worry about what other people think about you.
I want an oath. Damn you. Promise me.
What the fuck is going on here?
Promise me. You won't make me hurt her.
Uh-oh.
I will. I'll kill myself.
Yeah, more plates, more
I'll
dates.
kill myself before I hurt her.
Derek, more plates, more dates. He knows what's up.
You're not a spirit. What do you want?
I want you to step away from the edge, Brom.
No.
Yeah, this guy recovered his hair
Leave me
loss.
alone.
How'd
Can't
you do it,
see I need time
Mechman?
to
What'd you
think?
do?
Hey, how am I supposed to think when everybody is shouting at me?
I heard finasteride makes your dick not work, though.
I'm not shouting. I know you're a good listener. So come listen to me, just as you would the others.
Dude, this bitch is hot. I'm not gonna lie.
They say not to listen, but Alara always said, never ignore a speaker I can see. All right, I'll hear you out.
That's better. Now tell me, what's troubling you?
Spirits of the forgotten. Souls cursed by the All-Mother. Their voices never let me be. They want me to do things, hurt people. If I go back to the Nora, they might make me hurt Alara. And they're speaking to me right now. Oh is with me. Crush his skull with the rock, they said. And I did.
Brom, you're alive.
This bitch just appeared out of nowhere? I just went on a...
I followed you, but I had to make sure he was all right.
Oh my god. What's up, Cypress?
He fears these spirits that he hears will turn him against you. Unless your voice can quiet them?
Yes, just as it was before. He only ever hurt someone once, and it was provoked.
I don't want to hurt you, but the forgotten, their whispers, they...
You ain't gonna hurt me, buddy. I will fucking dice you with an arrow.
I suppose you could visit me there, so long...
Stream is lagging. Oh no. Why can't I can't jump off there? You're really gonna make me crawl? It's laggy? You guys have me worried. You're like, Bitcoin's dying. It like went down $50. Y'all are crazy, man. Y'all are crazy. Tactical roll. Tactical roll. Guy rolling and tactical roll.
Good for an old remedy.
Ooh, give me your wire, boy.
What are they hunting out there? Beyond the embrace. It can't be just one machine. There he is. Right where he said he'd be.
Aloy, you're here.
Look at BTC literally fucking pumped, man. Y'all worried about it dumping and it went up. I've considered moving to Asia because better tax situation. I just don't know. Like, I'm very family oriented. All my family is where I live. I like how I have 300 people watching. As soon as I start gaming, everyone stops watching. Have I played Zelda Ocarina of Time? Ocarina of Time, of course. Of course I have. One of the greatest games ever. Zelda Breath of the Wild on Switch is literally one of the greatest games I've ever played. Still nothing. Just a little pump. I bet you this got maxed out on that move. Still nothing. Move to Australia. The taxes are no better in Australia than they are here. Don't go to China. I wasn't planning on it. Literally, come to Cyprus if you hate taxes. Whoever dislikes the stream hates the neck. So that's true. Whoever disliked the stream has a tiny, tiny little pencil neck. Are the in silico indicators worth it? It depends. If it's something that you think will help you, go watch my video on it. They can be great, but they're not for everyone, and they're not necessary. I was making money before these, and I don't use these to make decisions, but I do look at them. But I feel okay. I feel okay about this long right now. Look at this. We're in the money. We're in the money. Yeah, fucking Monaco, Portugal, Dubai. There's so many places you can live that have much more chill tax situations. What do I think about US taxes? I think they're too high, but I'm Canadian. How do I productively spend time watching the charts? Back test, forward test, over and over and over again. Right? Go back in time, mark up charts, learn how to draw good levels, and then mark the levels and watch as price gets to them and see how it interacts at your levels. See if your levels are any good, if you're getting the interactions you want. If you mark a level and price just nukes through it every time, maybe it wasn't a good level. Maybe you got to work on that. I definitely love Halo. Halo is great. Halo is great. We're in the money. MetaTrader 4. You speak a little French. I speak a lot of French. I am fluent in French. Maine, can you put your chat on the left side, or my video on the left side? Sure. There you go. Is that better? So this is a great point by Mitchell Robinson. Robichaud. Tough to backtest when you already know what happens with Bitcoin. This is a great point, and this is why I tell people when backtesting, do it on charts that you're not super familiar with. The problem with backtesting on crypto, while it does work, is you likely have spent a significant amount of time staring at Bitcoin, staring at Ethereum, so you know what the key levels are, you know what price is going to do because you look at it so much. So it's not really effective. Go try and test shit out on some random Forex chart or gold or anything that you're not super familiar with. That way you don't have that kind of familiarity with it, whereas you can't, you already know what's going to happen, so that back testing you're doing is not super effective. How do I build my capital at the start and get in screen hours? Do I get in at low time frame for scalps or go straight for the high time frame? Building your capital is just a matter of winning trades, consistently making more money than you lose, and then the money will compound itself, right? It's not about low time frame or high time frame. It's about consistently being able to make money in the market more than you lose. And if you do that, your account will grow, because if you have a static risk percentage of 2% and your account's 100 grand, well, once that account gets to 200 grand, your 2% is now 4K. You're making more money per trade now, right? I'm underwater on a long but not stopped out. If we could all push this back up to 39k, I'd much appreciate it. I'd like that too. What's up, Aquila? You're welcome, Flux to Pose. Alright. Let's get a fucking real pump going here. This is a pump for ants. What are we doing here?
You have the fire arrows.
I do. Those explosions and shouts beyond the embrace. Is that the trouble you were talking about?
You will know soon enough. Until then, we wait for dark.
Wait for dark? I saw Karst and got that tripcaster I was talking about.
I hate to think what that outlaw trader charged for a weapon of that make.
It wasn't cheap, but the caster is worth it.
Well, perhaps. You'll know it's worth soon enough.
I don't understand. Those explosions are outside the embrace. What can we do from in here?
The lesson will be taught in due time, Aloy. Until then,
Don't
we
get
wait.
sassy with me, you Viking-looking piece of shit. I'll fucking snatch that beard right off your face.
Look, Rost. I thought it through, and I'm not going to shun you after the proving, okay? I won't do it.
Yes, the
I'm not
risk
about to pretend that
percentage
you never
should
raised
be
me.
static, no matter how
Aloy,
big your account
The
is.
law forbids all contact.
The thing is if you're doing
does,
2%
and I
at
don't
10k, and then you get to a
I know
100k
I've been
account,
doing this
and
for
you
you,
start
Rost,
doing
but all tribal
fucking
law has ever done for me is
1%
take
or
things away.
5.5%, you shouldn't be changing it. The whole idea is as you
Aloy,
size
I
up
must
your
obey
account,
the
your position
law.
size naturally increases
And so you
with
will.
that. And that way you don't
I
get
knew you'd
caught
say that,
trading your
so
P&L and
This
shit.
is what we'll do. I'll come to you in secret.
What's up, you
No one will see me, so I won't get in trouble.
458888?
And I know you won't talk to me because it's against the law, but I'll talk to you. It'll be my crime, not yours.
Oh, I'll
You'll just
talk to you,
listen.
alright.
And that's how we'll handle this.
You've put a lot of thought into this.
I know. So you can stop worrying. It's handled.
Yes,
Still a while to go before...
good idea.
Meat roast at the North Gate. Now what? Rest at the campfire. What if I don't want to? Seems like the cutscenes are a little laggy. Sorry, I'm new. What is trading P&L? P&L stands for profit and loss.
Opening a gate for an outcast?
Some who are shunned reaped honor before disgrace.
Am I taller than this guy?
So much for tribal law.
I spoke to no one, and now we must both keep silent, for we are outside of the embrace. These are the true wilds, Aloy, with threats unlike any you have ever faced.
That carcass. What sort of beast was that?
The tribe calls it a sawtooth, and it's something new. Something angry. Since they first started appearing 10 years ago, they have killed many braves.
Satchel is full. What the fuck is in my satchel? Oh my god, come on now. What should I drop? How about these rocks? Oh, come on. I can't even hit you with a rock. What do I need to hold on to?
I'd have to ditch something.
I'd play Apex Legends sometimes. How do I fucking... What should I drop? No, I mean, the 2% remains the same, bro. So if your count is 10 grand or 2 grand, you still... Or 100 grand, you still risk 2%. The problem is if you start risking more just because your account's bigger, that's fucking stupid, and you'll blow your account that way. The risk percentage stays static. The amount gets bigger as your account balance grows because it's 2% of a bigger number. What can I drop? Or can I sell some shit? Like, what the fuck? Is this some baby back bullshit? Okay, I have 89 of these fucking sticks. I didn't want to drop all of them. Oh my god. This game's fucking broken. I don't even know what this chill water is. Okay, fuck you. Like... I don't understand. I don't understand. I wanna... I need those to build my bow and arrows, though.
What happened to it?
A machine, that's what.
What's...
This is pissing me off.
What machine does that?
The sort of machine you're hunting now.
Okay, someone tell me what I can drop. Like, what the fuck? I need those fucking sticks for my fucking thing. I can't fast travel. Oh my god. Should I use risk management for my stop lot placement or TA or both? Your stop, where your stop goes is based on TA. The problem a lot of people will make is they're gonna be like, oh, my stop is here because I don't want to risk more than this amount. Well, that means your position size is too big. First, you use TA to determine where your stop is. Then based on how far it is from your entry, you determine how much your position size is. Other than basic trading concepts you talk about, where can we go to learn more advanced tips? Sorry to repeat myself, I asked over Discord for the username crypto on Toad. Oh, I'll take a look, bro. I haven't checked Discord too much today. I have a tripcaster. I have it. But what do I want to pick up? I need those sticks to build my arrows. Am I really gonna go run back to this fucking merchant right now? So I... It's pissing me off. What does this do? This item provides fast travel to a single discovered campfire. Well, why can't I use it? I have a tripcaster. Ah, fuck it. I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing here. See, now... I know I need those fucking sticks, dude. Is it not gonna let me go back? Dude, I'm on tilt right now, boys. Explain the fucking importance of position sizing, bro. Position sizing is everything, right? If you're risking 10% of your account on a trade, you can only lose 10 trades before you blow up your account, right? So think about it that way. That's why it's important. Yo, what's up, VP? Dude, I need to drop some shit, but I don't know what to drop. I'm gonna drop this. I hate my life. I don't even know. Right? Just do the math in your head and think about it logically. If you risk 50% of your account on one trade and you lose 2 trades in a row, you're now have no money left.
I'll watch your carcass. I'll harvest the parts.
Watch your surroundings.
How do I craft medicine? How do I craft medicine? Oh, hold on. I don't have any of the materials I need. Oh, wait. You're smart. Whoever suggested that is smart. Oh, what? I got traps?
This'll help.
Yo. Whoever told me that, fuck yeah, thank you. How wide do you keep your stops from swing trading to avoid getting SFP'd? Your stop goes where the idea is wrong based on TA. So it doesn't change just because it's a swing trade. Sometimes you get knocked out on SFPs. That's just how it is. Right? But wherever you believe your idea is wrong, that's where your stop needs to go. I got hella rocks, yo. Bitcoin's pumping. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, baby, give me a blue boy at the fucking bottom. I'm a fucking ape. So we need to reclaim the daily open. This is the daily open. So if we can get above here, there's a good chance that this is the low of the day. Or this is the low of the day, excuse me. Up a cool 6 hundo beans. Let's go. Excuse me. They wanted to make us sweat, boys. They wanted to make us sweat. I wasn't gonna let them. Oh, what the fuck?
Won't be much farther now.
Why are we the only ones out here tonight? Why can't the tribe's braves hunt this machine?
They did. The kills we passed are theirs. Tomorrow, they will hunt again.
They won't need to. This machine will be my kill.
Or your death, if you're not careful.
I ain't gonna die, bro. You just worry about yourself. How's that sound? I need a bigger satchel because I am addicted to loot. I love loot. Like, I want to pick up every little fucking thing. And I will. I will. Like, and it's already telling me I'm fucking full again. I can't pick up the fire kiln. That pisses me off.
Entire lodge wrecked by sawtooths? How many were there?
I didn't bring you here to answer questions, Aloy.
Is it chop or is it just a bunch of people who don't know how to trade a range and they're calling it chop? Maybe they only know how to trade an uptrend. What the fuck is that? Bro, light work.
Huge. How do you defeat it?
I need the fire
That
kiln?
will be for you to decide.
Man,
This
how
hunt is
often will
yours
you
to
stream
make
at
it.
night? I don't know,
Yours
whenever I
alone.
feel like it.
No matter what happens, I will not intervene. You understand?
You gonna let me die?
You're on
Fucking
your own.
roasty toasty?
I should stay out of sight. I can use the tall grass to approach. Okay, let's see. Where can I place my traps?
Traps? Where is this thing? Where did it even go? Weakness, fire. Oh no! Dude, fuck traps. I'm just going in for the kill.
It saw me.
Oh shit! Oh my god, I'm so fucked. Oh, fucking yeeted. Okay, I feel like this is not the way to do this. I fucked up bigly. Oh my god. I'm getting absolutely destroyed. Oh my god. I feel like I did not play this very well. Oh, wait. Don't I have fire bullets? Oh, you done fucked up now, bro. Literally die. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, that's what the fuck is up. Give me that Ridgewood.
No room.
I got no room for the fucking sawtooth heart, which I obviously need. Okay, stupid fucking game. I need a bigger fucking satchel, man. Have you played The Last of Us 2? No, I've not. I haven't played Last of Us 1 either. Isn't it easier to grow a small account with tighter stop loss or wait for real confirmation? You get a tighter stop loss so you can up your position size. Your question doesn't make sense. How you trade your account shouldn't change too much based on the account size. I mean, it will, naturally, but the theory behind it should be the same. Just because your account is smaller doesn't mean your stop loss is going to be tighter. That doesn't make any sense. Your stop loss is based on the chart. Doesn't matter what your account size is. If you were forced to choose, do you think a double bubble resumes in October or we're done for the next couple of years? I mean, if I had to choose, I would choose the double bubble, obviously, but I have no idea. Bait it into the fire, trap it. Wait, what is this game? Some Zoomer version of Zelda. Nice short call in the last swing. I bought the top. Fuck me, should have listened to you. It happens, bro. Yeah, I should have tried to be a little bit more sneaky. I went in for... I'm a bit more... I like brute force as opposed to the sneaky. Man, I love low cap DeFi shitcoins. Do you think TA works on them or is it all just based on sentiment of the crowd? Theoretically, TA should work on everything, but when you're dealing with something that's extremely low cap, it can be manipulated very easily. And when the markets are super inefficient, TA may not work as well. Some of the things will still work for sure, but if it's a really low cap coin where one whale can nuke the chart 50%, makes it a little harder to do TA on it. Just gonna go pee here, guys. How long have we been going? This has been another long one. I got like 20 more minutes in me, and I'm probably gonna hit the hay. I'll get you guys some tunes here while I'm going to the bathroom. Sorry. Just woke up from Spain. What time is it there? It is 1:30 in the morning. I don't sleep a lot. Hache 8:15, 85. I went and bought a bunch of BSC crap yesterday just for the lulz. I mean, it could be for the lulz. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't die. This channel is underrated. Thank you, bro. Did you go to college or nah? Yes, I did go to college. I have a degree, and I have a CPA, and I have a level 1 CFA. I'm so educated. some drama on the feed, guys. There's some drama on the feed. I'm 30. And yes, I am tired. I have a feeling Bitcoin's going to pump in the middle of the night and I'm going to be asleep again. Some shit is going on. Yeah, Coin Mamba on the feed going at it with Bob Laxative. I'm just catching up right now. I am 30 years old. No, I do not have a mentorship program. I don't know what Mamba's deal is. Like, he posts some nice trades. He's got a shitload of, like, I don't know, man. I'm not gonna, like, he's got a ton of followers. I've got more followers than him, but, like, he gets insane engagement. And he doesn't even post shit in advance. He just posts P&Ls after the fact. I got nothing against the guy. But he gets way more likes than me. It pisses me off. I feel like I provide so much more alpha than 90% of the people on Twitter. That's just me being petty, I guess. I hope we get one more wick to 37 so I can buy more. I don't care about the death cross, bro. It's not something I pay attention to. We're already down 50% off of the all-time high. The death cross doesn't mean anything to me. So what? Death cross happens and we go down to 20K. It's like, I don't need the death cross to know that. I'm just going to look at the chart, just play the chart. CT drama is at a peak level. And it definitely makes me worry that maybe we are entering in a bear market. For those of you who were here in the last market cycle, if you remember, in the last bear market, it was all about exposing paid group leaders, right? Everyone was just going at each other who had paid groups and was trying to expose each other because the market is going down. So people have lost money and are losing money. And it's harder to trade. You have to actually know how to trade when it's in a downtrend or in a range, as opposed to just longing because everything's going up. So people have time on their hands, they're angry, and that's what's happening right now. People are going after shills, they're going after VCs, they're fighting with each other. It's because the market is gone down. I just made a tweet about it. Coin Mamba had that beef with Loma. I don't know why anyone would beef with Loma. Trader Main, you gotta link up with other traders on Twitter. Being interconnected is how you leverage the power of the audience. Like what do you mean though? I'm friends with most of the big accounts. I've done podcasts. I've met them in person. Yeah, you're probably right there, Menace. Yeah, I think part of the reason my engagement's not as crazy as other people is I don't just post like bullish bullshit hopium stuff like you're all gonna be millionaires. Like that's so fucking cringe, bro. Because most of you won't, unfortunately. Most people will actually lose money. I will do whatever I can to help you, but at the end of the day, most people will fail. That's just the rule of the atom. Right? 99% is empty space. That's true for everything in life. If it was easy, everyone would be rich, wouldn't they? Options expiry usually means volatility. I'm juicing some grape mint. Yeah, we're chilling, man. We're chilling, playing games, making a little bit of money. Everyone's fucking yelling at each other. I just don't see the point. I'm also like, it's in my Twitter bio, bro. Click the link in my Twitter bio. It's there, I promise, for Discord. Maybe it's because I'm older. Like, I'm definitely older than a lot of the people on CT. And I've been through multiple market cycles, so maybe that's why I just don't care. It's just like, I got enough shit going on in my life, dude. I don't need to be fucking fighting with strangers on the internet. Sometimes I succumb to it, but I try my best to stay above it. If we go to 36K, would you be more conservative with your take profit? No, I'm willing to long all the way down to here. Whales are depositing huge amounts of BTC to exchanges. Okay. I have not played Devil May Cry. Most people don't fail, they give up too soon. What's the difference? Right? Like, what is the difference? Giving up, right? That's a fail, dude. I definitely have loyalty. Man, you put out good quality content. Don't ever doubt that. You do you. I'm gonna keep doing me, bro. I've been doing it for 30 years. I don't plan on stopping. 30 goddamn years. You trying to ratio me, bro? Not today. Not today. It is a Twitter and YouTube link only. I am 100% sure my Discord link is there, bro. But if it's not, DM me and I'll fucking send it to you. Kaleo, where did you work before you became a full-time trader? I own my own company. I still do to this day. I worked in fucking accounting. I've had a ton of jobs. Kaleo posts permeable BS, but gets most engagement. Kaleo's been super fucking accurate for a long time. That's why he gets a lot of engagement. Can't imagine losing money being in crypto, but I see how people do it with leverage trading. Yeah, leverage is a super easy way to lose money. Also, people lose money because they buy, near the top, and then they hold it all the way down, and then they capitulate, right? Would you say we're in a bullish falling wedge pattern on the daily, and we might test 40K level again? I don't really use those types of patterns, but this is not a falling wedge. I mean, you could argue that this is kind of a falling wedge, potentially, but I just use price action, bro. Horizontal lines only, dog. I know. I'm down to 50 bucks. I was up 700 earlier. I'm not gonna make it. Hello, Maine. What's up? Yeah, a lot of people. Imagine all the people who lost all their money leverage trading here, and then missed all of this. All you had to do was hold. Most people shouldn't trade. Most people are better off waiting for the market to drop 80%, buying some Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then just waiting. That's what most people should do. Bitcoin did a 20x from 3K to 60K. Did you 20x your portfolio? If you didn't, you underperformed Bitcoin. I'm getting pretty sleepy here, boys. All right, Cryptosphere. I assume you're the homie in the chat. Oh shit, we're back up 700. Let's fucking go. Might buy myself some new fucking shoes. A day in the life. Let's see if you really trap. Fuck the auto-tune. Let's see if you can really rap. My biggest concern right now is that we just come back up to here. Right, this is key. This is key. I want to be higher time frame. I want to be on the fucking 30. Sure. Let's look at that hourly. Yeah, my one thing I could see happening is us coming to here. Right? That's the low of Monday. Is we could do this. So that's why I said I will take some profit here in case we reject. And then if we can make a higher high above here, then we're fucking Gucci maybe, and then we're going above here for sure. Fuck the auto-tune. Shit, your boy's up a Gino. What's my average entry? 37,700. Just call it here. So even into there's 1.6. To there is 3. And then to there, we're crushing. So we'll see. What are your favorite fib levels? You're looking at them, bro. These ones. Yeah, I have a feeling that I'm gonna go to bed soon, and I'm gonna wake up, and I'm gonna wake up, and we're either gonna be like trading like this, or we're gonna do this. And I'm gonna wake up stopped out, but I'll have some taken off here. Bro, do you withdraw money from your trading account or just let it grow? I withdraw money all the time. when you're first starting and you have a small account, like absolutely compound it and grow it. But I withdraw money all the time. It's not just Bitcoin as a 20x, but also taking profit at the right time. You can touch on this. Yeah, I mean, obviously taking profits is important. Yo, do you know at Prime XBT if there's an option for co-investing where people can follow your trades and split profits? 75% followers, 25% trader, 5% exchange. I don't know what that is. Sounds illegal. What do you think about that option for yourself, and how do you view it for an investing opportunity? I'm not really interested in having people copy all of my fucking trades. Like, you know, I share tons of shit for free. What accounts on Twitter are posting stop entry target for all of their trades, right? Like, it's not a team sport, unfortunately, guys. I could do that, and what? I keep 20% of my profit? I don't even understand it. Why wouldn't I just do my own trade and keep 100%? Yes, people absolutely want to oversimplify trading. I had a 10x Shiba short on Binance and the ADL closed it after 650%. That sucks. That sucks, my guy. Y'all better fucking, there's 197 people watching this video. I better get a minimum of 170 likes, 197 likes on every post I make. Yeah, Prime was sponsoring SZ. They were sponsoring me for a while. I was working with Prime before Bybit. So I get 20% of whatever my followers make. So here's the problem with something like that is I'm like 90% sure that that's illegal. Like, pretty sure, because I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot be telling people where to buy and sell. So I don't know the legality around that. 2, I would have to trade on Prime XBT, which is not one of the exchanges I really like, even though they were my sponsor, so I appreciate that, but I prefer FTX and Bybit. 3, I don't want to be responsible for people following my fucking trades, because that's additional pressure on me. If I have a bunch of people following my trades, what if I go on a losing streak and I'm risking 2% per trade, but there's people following me risking 20%, right? Just seems like a recipe for disaster. I don't want people to be blind, and you're never going to learn blindly following someone's trades. Is being oversold and undersold a thing? Yeah, I mean, listen, if you look at the high time frame, right, like on the daily, this is your RSI, right? BTC undersold, oversold, but the problem is look where we were at 60K. We got oversold back in November, and we were trading at 15K. We were overbought. And we stayed overbought all the way to 60K. So the problem is you can't just sell when we get overbought. You can't just buy when we get oversold, because it can stay oversold or overbought way longer. Like, price can go up and we can remain overbought for a long ass time. If you just sold Bitcoin as soon as we got overbought, you missed half the bull run. Day in the life. Let's see if you really rap. Fuck the auto-tune. Do you think chart patterns are less reliable on crypto? I think that I don't think it matters, bro. Forget chart patterns. Focus on understanding market structure, because that's all a chart pattern is. I just wish there was a way to set limit stop loss on the 3-part FTX order. I don't know if I fully understand you. It's not illegal. It's just copy trading. eToro does that. You just don't do it because you're not profitable. Easy. Okay, bro. Do you take candlestick patterns into consideration or formation? I look at candlesticks, but I don't really look at like this is a spinning top or this is a doji or whatever. I don't really care about that shit. If you would be profitable, you'd be jumping at the idea of making more money on the exact same trades, but you're a larger YouTuber, like a LARPer YouTuber like everyone else. All right, bro, why are you watching me then? Just go fuck yourself and leave. If I'm not profitable, you're the one sitting here watching me fucking play video games, you absolute goof. Like, Jesus Christ. Who pissed in your cereal, man? FTX advanced 3-part order. The buy part, you can set market or limit, but on the TP and stop loss, oh yeah. No, I know that's super annoying. So you have to set your stop individually separate in terms of, you're saying when you enter from the calculator and it automatically puts your stop and TP in. Supply and demand is 90% of what I do. I use the candle closes to determine market structure shifts. I use Binance sometimes. I don't know. So Hydro sounds like someone who's like still holding all of his crypto from the 60K top, and now he's poor, so he has to come watch other people and try and bring them down to bring himself up. At the end of the day, bro, you can say whatever you want. I'm fucking way richer than you. I'll always be richer than you. And I don't care what you think about me, bro. You're sitting here watching me play video games. Fucking, I'm chilling, playing video games, making more money than you make at your day job in fucking minutes. Go cry about it, bro. Go cry. Cry to someone who fucking cares. Absolute fucking dickhead. Fuck the auto-tune. Oh, now the truth comes out. He's providing a service. He's got something to shill. Come on, Hydro, shill your shit. We know you want to, you fucking loser. Oh my god. The truth comes out. If you were profitable, you would fucking be sharing your trades with everyone. No, I fucking wouldn't. It's literally the dumbest thing I've heard all fucking night. I've heard some dumb shit. Like the idea that just because I make money, I should just share all of my trades with other people for an extra little bit of money. It makes zero fucking sense. Maybe I don't want to share my exact setups because people could maybe reverse engineer what I'm doing. Maybe I don't want to trade on Prime XBT. Maybe I don't want to be responsible for other people taking trades that I take because I know how to manage my risk and the people who follow me might not. Like, there's so many holes in your argument, but then the truth comes out because you're telling us that you have a service to provide. You have something to sell. You have something to shill. You're an absolute fucking goof, dude. You're an absolute goof. I guarantee, if you're so good at trading, why are you selling something? I'm not selling shit. This is free. If you're so good at trading, why do you need to come into my stream and fucking shill your fucking shitty service? It's probably because you don't make any actual fucking money. You ever think of that? You ever consider that there, Hydro, buddy? fucking goof. Absolute goof. Anyways, I banned him. So we don't gotta deal with him anymore. I don't got time for negative people, man. I don't got time for negative people. I'm a happy guy. I'm sitting here with the homies. We're all having a good time. I don't got time for some fucking pleb. Bro, you couldn't anger me if you tried. You're some nerd sitting behind a keyboard, coming in here trying to sell your paid service because you lost all your fucking money. It's okay, bro. It's okay. It's gonna be alright. Look, he's trying to message, but I've hidden his messages. He can't message anymore. Sorry, dog. You've been silenced. Go shill your fucking vapor somewhere else. Anyways, he can still watch though, because he's got nothing better to do, right? Than watch some unprofitable guy talk and play video games. Let's see how you really rap. Fuck your auto-tune. Anyone who trades with size knows that you don't share your fucking entries with other people. We are all nerds behind a keyboard, that's true. We all are nerds behind a keyboard. All right, guys, I think I'm probably gonna hit the sack here. This has been like another 3+ hour stream. And it's been fun. I love doing this, but I don't really think we're gonna see volatility for another few hours. If I had to guess, the next few hours are gonna look like this. It's gonna do this. Ready? We're gonna go like this, and we're probably gonna go like this, and then I'm gonna wake up around here, and then I'm gonna say, okay, are we putting in a higher low, or are we absolutely gonna fucking nuke? So I don't really think, I don't think this trade's gonna play out while I'm still awake and watching it. So I'm probably gonna call it. So I've got some TP orders into this order block here, okay? I am willing to add onto my long all the way down to here. Okay? I'm willing to add all the way down to 35,963. So I have additional buy orders down to here. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we get a push up. But yeah, I'll go to bed. And I will check back in with you guys on the morning. Yeah, hopefully these are valuable for you guys. Hopefully you guys like them. Like the videos, share the videos, subscribe to YouTube, subscribe to Twitch, like every single one of my tweets. If you don't, you're not gonna make it, bro. It's as simple as that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy these, man. I'm gonna continue to do them because I have a lot of fun doing them. And yeah, that's all I got. I'm fucking pooped. It's a long ass video. So still long, willing to add lower. Hopefully you guys found some value in this shit. And we will talk to you guys soon.